Food is going up. Gas is going up. This is great for the rich people because all of their assets are going up in value, right? They're getting richer.
Are wealthy people becoming more wealthy thanks to inflation? No! And is inflation purely caused by the money supply in the economy? These are questions that Pierre doesn't want you to be asking. So what's really baffled me about this point is that it's not actually the case. If you're going to make a class argument about rich people getting richer and poor people staying poor, using inflation as the causal reason behind that is a little flawed. Inflation impacts everyone who holds the currency in question. And if it's not Bitcoin, we're probably talking about the Canadian currency. If I'm going to invest in the stock market or through an ETF or an index fund or a mutual fund, then I'm going to see returns that aren't anywhere more special than someone else. The fact is, rich people have more capital to invest, so they are advantaged by that. And of their investments increasing disproportionately to those who aren't involved in the financial system in a significant way, don't have capital in a significant way, yes, it has nothing to do with inflation. If you have more money and you allocate it and invest, you will be making more money than someone who doesn't have money and doesn't invest it. So the idea that because inflation is occurring, and inflation is always occurring, it could be 1% inflation or it could be higher levels of inflation, but the target is 2% inflation because otherwise people would hold on to their cash and not put it into the economy and allocate it and invest it into financial assets, which then are used by our banking system and the financial system to give out loans to small businesses so they can start a company, to give student loans, to give loans for a mortgage to buy a house or to buy a mortgage in reality. The value of their goods are increasing disproportionately to the rate of inflation is incorrect. Returns will vary depending on where you're allocating your financial assets, where you're putting your money, what stocks you're buying, etc., etc. So this is all just weird pseudo analysis by this guy.